guys, today we are doing another dream car, and today we're going to do a Posh police car. Let's choose our car. Of course, the first thing we always have to do is choose our awesome front cover of our car. That's really awesome and posh at the same time. So let's choose some wheels. Wheels have to be awesome with our car. Who wouldn't choose awesome wheels? They're like awesome. Awesome. And posh at the same time. So now we've almost got our awesome wheels. Yeah, I'll go with them. Nice and awesome and police carry. Awesome police carry. That's quite nice. Didn't cut the lighting either. I'll go with that. Now to choose our awesome decorations. Of course, we have to have something that makes it awesome and maybe even fly. What kind of police car, eh? There's blue on the right. That's kind of cool. Yeah, I'll go for the lights now. What colour lights should I choose? Blue or purple? I'll go with purple. Let's get driving. 3, 2, 1, let's fly. Look at my little bubble that made me fly. Whee! Never knew how fast this car could go. Face first. So, that is the end of this another dream car. I will see you in